Hello and welcome to Harry the Mover Relocation Guide. Packing tips for long-distance household moves. Moving long distance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right planning, strategy, and trusted partner like Harry the Mover, your interstate relocation can be smooth and stress-free. Planning and decluttering. The first step is planning and decluttering. Start 8 to 12 weeks before moving. Sort items into keep, donate, sell, and discard. This reduces packing time, costs, and stress while making unpacking easier. Packing essentials and techniques. Next, gather quality moving boxes, strong tape, bubble wrap, and markers. Pack smart by balancing box weight and labeling clearly with room names and fragile tags. Always place heavy items at the bottom and light ones on top. Protecting valuables. Your precious belongings deserve extra care. Wrap each item individually, cushion the bottom of boxes, and fill gaps with padding. This prevents damage during transit. The open first box. Always pack an essentials box with toiletries, basic kitchenware, bedding, clothes, chargers, and medicines. Label it open first so you can settle comfortably without hunting for necessities. Conclusion. Harry the Mover Advantage. At Harry the Mover, we handle your interstate move with precision, care, and experience. From expert packing to safe delivery, we make your journey easy. Never forget to subscribe our channel and visit Harry the Mover website for interstate and local house and office moving in Australia.